All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250, high top, long wheelbase with 49,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice, and best of all, it's a high top, hard to come by. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Yep. Your hood looks good. Your door here looks pretty good. Does have a little ding there. The rest has a dent there, as you can see, 3, 6, about 9 inches. It's got a dent here, as you can see it. Boom. All right, just like that. And then, of course, you got your. See, it's kind of almost split completely off, but not quite. So, that's pretty much it. Check it out. Got a little dent up there. Alright, it looks pretty good. Check out your rear driver's side steel wheel. Tire tread is at over 7/32. You see your front driver's wheel under 5/32 here. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat looks good. I don't see any no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Vehicle does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument constantly looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 49,601. It's your backup camera. Booyah. And that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Windows, door locks. Been it moving. Lights are on, I think. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. These doors look good. Got a dent here. Seen as typical. Less than an inch. Doors do swing out all the way. Alright. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. I see a dent up there. Alright, some scratches and stuff like that, so it just needs to be really cleaned up really well. The wheel wells look pretty decent. Here's one of your doors and what that looks like. Looks pretty good. Another one of your doors and what that looks like. Boom. That one looks good. Inside paneling there. Get up here. Check it out. Check this out. Roof. There's some minor dents, some over there, some here. Boom, right where my hand is. Alright. I'm on a sketchy kind of ladder right now. So I don't want to move my hand off of this. But anyway, you're gonna need a new rear tail light in this bumper here. This rear obviously took a small shot. And then you can see some dinghies over there. Just crap my pants. Alright. Now check this out. Here. What you got here? A dent, as you can see there. Let me get a close up. There we go. I have a dent here, no paint off. Some scraping over here. The rest looks pretty good. This door has a dent from the inside out. With paint off, by the way. Normally, when you get a dent like that, you don't have paint off. Anyway, this side cargo area and what that looks like. Very nice. Again, needs a better cleaning on the ground there. This door got a heavy scratch here. 1, 2, 3. 3. is your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Fender looks good, front passenger steel wheel. This looks like over 730 seconds. Check out the rear passenger steel wheel. And what that looks like, it's over 730 seconds as well. You can grab this ladder. Come over here. Some of the other stuff that I had seen. Oh. Shit, I'm too far. Alright, so there you go. You can see a dent right there. And with my eye, I can see a couple more dings right next to them. 1, 2, and 3. And then you got this one, this one, this one. Okay. So it looks like from up here. Alright. Yeah, I got some strong dents right there in that corner. Alright. Hard to see from the ground, but up here, you can most definitely see them, obviously. Yes. Yes. Sure. There you go. Right here. Coming around to over here. Some dents here. Let this push down a little bit. Got the scratches. Some dents right there. Alright. Oh, here's a better shot of what that looks like. Well, all right, folks. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, a 2017 Ford Transit, long wheelbase, high top with 49,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.